Coach, we ordered at noon. It's 2 o'clock. Is the dough still going through puberty?
Marcus fell asleep ages ago. He's about to start drooling.
Hup! Who's asleep? I was resting my eyes.
Easy now, kid. I've been tightening this bolt for 30 years. It won't slip.
2 hours, 12 minutes. On a production line, I'd already be in a meeting room explaining myself.
Logged. 2 hours, 12 minutes.
That is IT. As an operations engineer, letting a customer rack up this much idle time isn't bad service. It's a business crime.
I can't take it. I'm starving.
Coach is angry! Take cover!
Sorry, just a moment. I'm going as fast as I can.
It isn't that the chef is lazy. He's working incredibly hard. But working hard and working fast are two different things. Engineer mode. Engage. Everyone, come and look at this with me. See that? Two things you always use together, parked in opposite corners.
Oh, and he can't find the pizza cutter. It's literally above his head.
Those soles are worn right through. How many kilometers is that a day?
That is motion waste. 3 kilometers today, 0 pizzas. At this rate, he'll finish a marathon before we finish lunch. And there, inventory waste. 5 buckets of pickled pineapple. Those ants aren't visiting. They've applied for permanent residency.
And the tap you left running earlier, it's still running.
Coach, how many kinds of waste are there? I really want to know. Coach, how many kinds of waste are there exactly?
7. 1. Transport. 2. Motion. 3. Waiting. 4. Overproduction. 5. Overprocessing. 6. Defects. And 7. Excess inventory.
Wait, this one shop has all 7?
Right there, all 7 in one kitchen. 1. Transport. Things used together, stored a room apart. 2. Motion. Reaching, bending, climbing, just to pick up one jar. 3. Waiting. The dough waits for the oven, and the oven burns fuel waiting for the dough. 4. Overproduction. 3 trays ordered, 30 dough balls made. 5. Overprocessing. Placing pepperoni 1 slice at a time with tweezers. Beautiful. The customer is starving. 6. Defects. 4 trays already burnt and binned. And 7. Excess inventory. Those pineapple buckets we just saw.
I've done it this way for 10 years. I never knew where it was leaking.
Write that down, Sua. That's the real thing, not a textbook.
Everyone, get ready to move. Move now.
Ready?
Everyone, positions. Do not let this line stop.
Today we make this shop faster, without making the chef work one bit harder. Start by bringing the things you use together, close together.
Forklift coming through. Mind your back, chef.
No problem, boss. I'll lift it myself. It's just a fridge. Easy.
Ah!
A little left. More. Okay, set it down.
Right here. Now the chef doesn't cross the kitchen every time he needs cheese.
Painted the outlines on. Something goes missing, you see it instantly.
3 piles. Every day, sometimes, and never.
Sensors mounted. I finished a while ago.
Coach, what's all this actually called?
This is called 5S. The first S, sort. Get everything you don't use out of here first. The second S, set in order. Whatever's left, put it where it's easiest to grab. The third S, shine. Clean every day, so you spot problems while they're still small. The fourth S, standardize. Same way every time, so anyone can step in and get the same result. And the fifth S, sustain. Make it a habit, not just on the day the coach shows up.
Oh, I get it now. I can sort this bit out myself.
So 5S isn't just cleaning up.
Exactly. It's arranging the workplace so the work gets easier. And done.
Finished. Yeah.
Is this really my kitchen?
From now on, dough to sauce, sauce to cheese, cheese to oven. No crossing paths. Anyone walking backwards loses their pizza bonus.
That's flow. One direction, no backtracking, no waiting.
And this board, one tool goes missing, you see it straight away.
Time down from 2 hours to 5 minutes.
We're almost eating. Yes, it's here.
Woo! Here we go!
Coach, 2 hours a tray, now 5 minutes. That's faster than instant noodles.
Thank you, master of the factory. I never have to wear out my shoes again.
Remember, world-class car plant or the pizza place down your street. The moment you cut the waste, life gets easier and lunch
Piece of
actually
cake.
arrives. Humph, easy. Ugh. Chef, how long did you bake it for?
5 minutes exactly. Fast, just like you taught me.
The oven doesn't get hotter just because we got faster, Chef.
24 times faster, and a 100% defect rate. This is exactly why lean never travels without QC.
So we can't eat it at all?
I'm so hungry.
I can't do this anymore.
If you like your knowledge served with a laugh, subscribe to Coach Aey's Factory Force.